Today I'm going to be building some nesting boxes for the hens here in the chicken coop. So I'm just going to be using materials that I already have, some leftover stuff. So I'm going to take a look to see what I have and then start working on that. Door will shut. Uh-oh. Well, that piece there is just a little too long, so I'll have to get a saw and trim that. I'm taking pieces of scrap of this B-board that we put on Collins' wall, and so I'm using it as side panels to divide the nesting boxes. So as you can see, this is kind of flimsy here because I had to take the support brace out because the door wouldn't close. So I'm just building a little brace that sits on the floor and then holds it up on the end. This little roof thing will keep the chickens from getting up here and roosting, and then you know, you can, when you go to clean it out or whatever, you can, I'll have a little latch up here that I'll put on it, and you can just clean, it makes it easier to clean out, get the eggs out. Let me show you the roosts that we made. So this is just made out of tree limbs that we have. This is one long one, and this, I don't know if you can see back here or not. But this is that little end that sticks out. We built a lot of roost sticks back here, so they'll be able to get up off the ground. If it's not enough, like later we left enough room to build some up higher. Wind's blowing, man. Just using this grass stuff that I bought at one of the farm stores to make nesting box. Hens will get in there and make a little nest.
Why are you using that instead of straw?
Well, chickens don't like straw very well. They'll kick it out. They don't like it too much, and they'll go and pick grass and bring it in actually if they have it available. So this stuff is grass. So you can even smell it. It smells like hay grass. Something got delivered up here. I was down there messing around. Ooh. Ooh. Not me. So the beehive's all put together and painted. Pretty excited about getting bees. What do you guys think?
I like them, and I like them because we'll get honey every day, but I don't really like it. I like the way harvesting it.
Yeah, that's kind of, I'm excited about the whole process and learning bees and taking care of them. And I mean, of course, harvesting the honey. I don't particularly like honey, but I think this whole thing is kind of exciting, and it'll be fun for the family to enjoy together and learn together.
So we're gonna learn bees together, I guess. Here's what Dawson want me to put on there. How you doing, honey?
We're painting my room today, and it's with the bubblegum pink.
This is definitely a color to brighten up the room, for sure.
Oh my gosh. What is going on here?
Pink.
What? Pink? Look at this. Did you paint this?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. And what are you going to do with the ceiling?
We're going to paint it white.
What is that up there?
This is a colorful disaster.
Look at that over.
About 2 days ago, Collins couldn't run. Like, it was causing her a lot of pain. She was super uncomfortable at softball practice and other, activities. Like, you could see that she was in pain. She wasn't running with the proper mechanics. She just looked really off. She started complaining about pain in her feet. And so I didn't know if she had tripped or broke something, or she's a pretty tough little girl. So we took her to urgent care, had some x-rays done. All the bones and all that looks good. There was nothing broken. took her to the chiropractor, and come to find out she's got like a total rotation in her hips. And so he adjusted her, and immediately she was able to run again. So this for us is super cool because 2 days ago she couldn't do this. She wasn't able to run. So show us, Collins, show us your running. How does it feel?
Good.
Yeah?
Feels like I'm free from my foot.
You're free from your foot pain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hot.